So a company by the name of Zmoons reached out to me by email asking if I would do a review of their 5-inch LED spotlights. At the end of this review, I will be giving away a set of these LED lights. So right out of the initial Amazon packaging, it came with the box with the LED lights and a set of wire harness with a couple replacement fuses. So just to verify accuracy, it does measure 5 inches. Now for those who are into how much each light weighs in at about 3/4 of a pound. I will be mounting one LED light to the top rung of my Gobi ladder, which means I will need an additional round bar mount. Now, let's get to the install. Here's where I'm positioning the switch. So what I usually do is I feed the wire in between the doorway, if you can see. So I open this up, this side panel. I feed it in between the door down to this little tunnel right here. And it comes out through here. So right through there. I know there's probably a way somewhere inside here where it looks a lot cleaner. I don't have too much time and I feel like I never do. But at some point I'm going to clean this up because when I put this side panel back, all these wires are exposed right here on the side. But for now it'll work. All my lights work. They've always worked. So yeah. So coming up to the front, you have 2 sets of your power and ground. One, and then these are the speaker wires, which I'm going to feed back inside. I got my power, my ground. I also used
this as my ground. Okay, so it looks like this speaker wire is a little too short. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store and get more wires because I'm actually gonna mount this to the rear. So I'm gonna mount this right here. So I'm gonna need a wire that's gonna go through here and all the way across to the front.
So I'm pretty satisfied with both the wire harness and the LED lights. The wire harness was very well put together. It was just a matter of getting everything plugged in. The LED lights, as you can see, are very bright. They'll give me some good coverage at camp, and if I ever get lost out on the trails, I don't think it'll be too difficult to find me. Thank you guys for watching this review and install. I hope you like it. If you do, go ahead and hit a thumbs up. Now for the giveaway, I'm going to give away a set of these LED lights. So if you'd like to be entered for this giveaway, go ahead and type element in the comments below. It's the end of day Thursday. I'm gonna give this a few days, so I'm gonna give it until Sunday. Sunday we'll do a drawing. Sunday afternoon we'll do a drawing. I'll have Maya select the winner Sunday evening. Okay guys, so if you'd like to be entered to win a set of the Zmoon 5-inch LED lights, please go ahead and type element on the comments down below. Okay guys, good luck.